Well, hello guys and welcome once more. Today we are going to talk about something that is called array. An array is just a chain of variables that have the same data type. But why should I use or why do I need such a thing? Let me give you an example. If I just asked you to create a variable in which I can save the grade of a student, you will simply say int grade 1 is equal to such a number. If I ask you to create a second variable for the second student, it will be simple like this. Grade 2 is equal to such a number. But what if I ask you to create variables for 100 students? Of course, this way won't be practical at all. That's why they had to use arrays. But how to create such a kind of arrays? It's really simple. For example, if we want to create an array for the grades, we just have to say int grades square brackets is equal to new int square brackets and then semicolon. And inside the second square brackets, we put the length of the arrays. For example, 10. And to set values for each position inside the array, we just have to do this. Grades and then square brackets and then whatever we want and ends with semicolon. Inside this square brackets, we just enter the index or the address of the variable that we want to set the value to. And there is something that we should know, that index or addresses inside the arrays begins from 0 till the number before the length of the array. For example, in this array, the first variable had the position 0 and the last variable had the position 10 minus 1, which is 9. Then if I want to set this value for the first variable, I have to say grade 0 is equal to this. For the second variables, the same thing. It will be 1 is equal to such and such. The last one will be like this, and so on. There is something I should know. What if I want to set the values in the same line? All what I have to do is this. I just have to open a curly brackets and then put my values inside, like this. And I have to isolate each two variables with comma, as you can see here. And I don't need to put the length of the array inside this square brackets. The compiler will count them automatically and then save its length in the memory. For example, if I just wanna system.out.println or this thing, println grades, the first variable, for example, and then run, give me the first value. For example, the second one, the same thing. This concept can be applied on all the data type that we had taken before. And I had prepared some examples here. Here it is. For example, we have an array of short numbers, and here it is, bytes, long, char, and the same thing for float and double, of course. If you got a benefit from the lesson, don't just forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.